Hi, everybody. I'm Neil from the Your Gray Matters podcast. We love to prove every time that we see you that our gray matter still works, even if our hips and our knees don't work. Today's topic is something that we seniors treat like a horror movie, but it's not. The reverse mortgage. Okay, don't turn me off because education is important. That's how we all grew up. I've heard people refer to reverse mortgages as a scam. Things like the bank will take your house or that your cousin's neighbor's barber lost everything, which tells me people don't really actually know what this is. So let's clear it up calmly, politely, and stop yelling at me. It's worth listening. We are fellow boomers. So, what is this reverse mortgage thing? It's simply a Canadian financial product, but it's for we people who own homes. We're at least age 55, and it is a way to access that equity in our home without being forced to make monthly payments. That's right, no monthly payments, not now, not next month, not ever during the life of the contract until you sell your home, you move out of your home, or you pass away. But here's the great news you can also make payments if you want. It's not a marketing tool. That's the way this thing works. Now let's deal with the biggest myth. The bank takes your house. No, it doesn't. You keep your title. It's your home. You can still paint your bathroom with that horrible color, but at least it's up to you. The bank does not own your home. You do. The next big myth is that your kids will be stuck with debt. Absolutely not. This is Canada. It's different federal regulations for reverse mortgages. In Canada, by law, you can never owe more for your home than it is worth, ever. That's not marketing, that's Canadian federal regulation. If the house sells for less than the loan, the bank eats the loss, not you, not your kids, not even your estate. Another fear, I'll lose my home if I miss a payment. There aren't any payments to make. We just mentioned that. But you can make them if you want. So here's what you have to do. You continue to live in your home, you keep it in reasonable shape, you pay your property taxes, and you have insurance on your home. In other words, you keep doing what you're already doing. That's it. Who does it work for? Like I said, we seniors. Many of us are house rich, but we're cash poor. We're looking for soup on sale to eat because that's where we are right now. That reverse mortgage could let you access that frozen equity in your home. You could take it as monthly income. You can take it as a line of credit, or you can have it as a lump sum. You can use it, therefore, buy those groceries, take care of those prescriptions if you have to, travel if you want, do those renovations. But the best, you will likely sleep better at night. Those little voices will disappear because you'll be comfortable. And here's what most people don't know, and this is huge, folks. You don't get to sign for this or do it until you've had independent legal advice. Let me say that again. You must have independent legal advice. That lawyer is only vested in making sure that you understand what you're signing or not signing because you're under no pressure to do anything. It's not like the bank or a mortgage agent is telling you what to do. You decide, but a lawyer makes sure that you understand it. That's it. Is it for everybody? Absolutely not. But neither a lot of things in our lives nowadays, but what it could be is dangerous to not look at all of our options. We are seniors. Sometimes we need options, and we should be bloody smart enough to look at what they are. because maybe you're not understanding something. It's harmless to learn, but not learning, that can be expensive, and the learning costs you nothing. So here's my advice to you, fellow boomers. Don't make financial decisions based on rumors. Ask questions, learn your options, and then you still might not do anything, but at least you know why you decided. I'm Neil Silvert of the Your Gray Matters podcast, and I'm also a licensed mortgage agent. This is very close to my heart. Please contact me if you want more info. My contact information is in the description. Let's talk about this. It might be just what you're looking for. Thanks for listening. As always, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for watching. If you found it interesting and you liked it, give us a thumbs up. If you're ready to subscribe, click right here. And if you'd like to see another episode, click right here. Tell a friend. Send us comments. Thanks a lot.